everyone. In tonight's free video, I want to take a quick look at the S&P 500. After the holiday, after the 2-week basic holiday uh, session, I guess you could say, we kind of broke through this channel here that we've been watching at, and we pulled up, broke through it, and then pulled back down. Now we're coming into some significant support here. I'm going to watch these levels over the next couple of days. If we can hold here, then we may be able to creep up a little bit higher. But really what I'm looking at from the bigger picture is the weekly and monthly charts. And the weekly and monthly charts, to me, are still suggesting there's still there's weakness here. We're having a very difficult time moving higher. And the way I'm looking at it is if this thing can actually get any momentum to the downside, I think we could sell off pretty hard. And really the biggest reason I believe that is really when you look at something like the dollar. If we take a look at the dollar here real quickly, you see this has done nothing but rally over the last couple of weeks. Now we could get a little bit of a pullback here, but it's broken a pretty major downside trend here that a lot of people have been looking at. And a lot of times when we get these rallies, the markets, the stock market will usually follow suit. So as a dollar rallies, again, usually the stock market's pulled back, but that has not been the case over the last couple of weeks. So it's going to be interesting to see what this market does as we head into 2010. Okay, and by the way, I've been told that it shouldn't be said 2010. It should be called 2010 because we didn't say in 1999 that it was year 1999. Okay, so the proper way to say it is 2010, at least grammatically. So anyways, I'm going to be keeping an eye on these markets. I think the dollar and the stock market are the most interesting markets right now. I've been looking at a couple markets. We've been long gold. I've been long oil for the last week or so. That's been really nice. We played that with some calls for those of you who kind of participated along with us. Gold is a market that I'm kind of watching carefully here. It could hold these levels. If it does, I wouldn't be surprised to see it, pop up $50 or so. That's another market that I'll be watching. We are going to be doing a webinar on Wednesday evening. It's going to be on ratio trading, what we do at ratio trading. We're going to be talking about the new ratio radar that we use here now that is able to find our very specific Fibonacci ratio patterns that we trade. It's it's quite amazing actually how it works. And then we'll also be offering that same special that we did at the end of the year. We got a ton of emails from you guys that were unable to, that were either away on vacation or not at a computer. So we've decided to reenact that special. We'll talk more about it on Wednesday, but it's a free webinar. We'll talk about some of the strategies that we do, how we trade, why we trade the way we trade, and how we can benefit, or how ratio trading can significantly benefit your trading. And we'll take a look at some markets as well. So if you're interested in that, you can do so by either clicking or signing up at the website here by clicking on sign up for live webinars, or at the end of this video there will be a hyperlink that will automatically forward you to where you can sign up, and we'll see you guys there. So hope to see you there, and we'll see you guys at the next video update.